Yo, what's going on? I'm Vosk. You're on the VoskCoin YouTube channel. Just got another miner in to review.
Another one.
It's pretty loud in here, so I'll just show it to you quickly. And you're gonna want to watch this because the miner is interesting. You can basically plug it in anywhere. It earns more than it burns, but it may not be exactly what I'd spend my money on. Spoiler. I'm gonna walk upstairs and show you, but it's the Iceriver KS2 Lite. And while it's been very lucrative mining Kaspa over the past couple of years, it's kind of petering out. The risk versus reward, it's not the same ratio. The amount of coins you're mining, much lower. Kaspa reduces the amount of coins you're mining every month. So it's gonna get pretty loud over here. I would be running this Avalon miner, this Bitcoin miner right here, which, let me show you something that's crazy. It only has fans on the front. Isn't that weird? Here's the KS2 Lite. One of the cool things is plugged into a wall outlet. Looks like it's got Wi-Fi support. It's kind of hot in here, at least today, but I'm stealing all the space because I'm basically at max capacity out here on the VoskCoin mining farm. But I got that set up, and I've already generated some data on it. So let's jump behind a computer screen, look at how much it earns, burns, what does it cost, is it worth it, or basically, am I just buying the coin going face first to a green market here? The Iceriver KS2 Lite. That Iceriver was very happy and proud to send out to a lot of people, even though they never give that kind of support to their more profitable mining rigs. And all of these devices don't cost all that much money to make. Please, don't ever get that twisted. Looking at Kaspa mining profitability, you have 8 cents per kilowatt hour electricity rate, which is the safer bet on our farm's rate. Then depending on which Kaspa miner you have, you could be pulling in over $16 a day, costing me around $6 a day to run, realizing a profit of about $10 per machine. It's not bad at all, right? Well, if you have the right one, maybe. A lot of the Kaspa miners I have that used to be very, very profitable are really just earning a couple dollars a day now. Pretty fast and sad mining profitability loss. At 7 cents per kilowatt hour, this thing basically treads water, at least in my mind, profiting 22 cents a day or $80 a year, right? So let's not get it twisted. There are many mining rigs to buy right now, and depending on how much this costs, and your electricity rate and your situation, it may be interesting. I did make a mistake when I was setting this up. I need to come in here and go # VoskCoin. Save. And then we'll just give it the good old restart-a-roni. Right, so this is the dashboard. You just watched me edit my wallet worker. So I am indirectly mining Dogecoin with this, along with all my other Kaspa miners, which has been a phenomenal move as Doge has been ripping upwards in price. If Kaspa really starts moving, I may switch these back to Kaspa. As it stands, I'm very happy that I did this, and it's been a lucrative endeavor. It's been more profitable to indirectly mine Doge with Kaspa miners than it has been to directly mine Kaspa. Will that always be the case? IDK, that stands for I don't know. But Kaspa's had pretty lackluster movement. It's up 13% in the last 30 days. And you may say, oh, well, you know, that's pretty good. Yeah, the last couple years that was good. Dogecoin's up 186% in the last 30 days. Can I get a yeah? Oh man, it's crazy. Doge is already over 30 cents. I mean, this thing is moving. What's even crazier when I look at the metrics, retail's not here, man. Like they're really not. Looking at the KS2 Lite from resellers, this costs around $650. PSU is included because it's integrated. You can plug this into any wall outlets and stuff in your house. It's easy to deploy. This very much feels like a gold shell type miner. We're an affiliate with Iceriver as well as ASIC Marketplace. Use code VoskCoin to save some coin at both of those places. As always, I invite you to check out multiple options. For example, you can come over here and get it a little bit cheaper. It still has stock. and pretty quick shipping. But our coupon codes are much more significant on ASIC Marketplace compared to Iceriver. Look at all the numbers, and Kaspa could 5x and other things like that, and I would just much rather throw 500 bucks at the coin and then 5x my coins real easy, no risk. Only then will I be dreaming of realizing a break-even point, right? So 22 cents times 5 is $1.1 a day of actual realized profit after the electricity bill, which will still put me out on like a 500-day break-even period. This miner, it's too expensive and it's not powerful, it's not profitable enough. The numbers, they just don't really add up on this thing. I mean, really right now, Bitcoin and Dogecoin mining are looking phenomenal. A lot of these altcoins just aren't, really. This is very much a situation where a lot of coins haven't rocketed up in price. And I'm thinking should load up on additional coin positions if you're sitting on cash. Not financial advice, you do whatever you want to do. If you blame anyone else for what you do, then you're a loser. Just to be very clear, I'm tired of nonsense, man. We look at Bitcoin, I mean, it's over $86,000. That's crazy. All right. Ethereum, doing great, but still lagging behind all things considered, especially since the war on DeFi from the US government should now be switching to huge support of DeFi, which is wild and very exciting to see. But yeah, to stay on topic, the bottom line is if you want to mine Kaspa, get the KS5 Pro. All other things equal, I think these other devices like the KS5M and 5L, you have to have an incredibly cheap electricity rate because they're going to make more of these KS5s and they're going to have even better miners soon. And the second these coins really pop up, lo and behold, all these manufacturers are going to have even better mining devices. The only things that are absolutely dominating their electricity rates is Scrypt mining right now. I mean, look at the charts, look at these numbers. Ethereum Classic with the very impressive performance of the EZ100s by Bombax, which we've highlighted very heavily in the past, is still very good, very impressive. The AL1, it looks good on paper, but losers like me acquired these when they were at $30,000 a machine. So honestly, that miner and that coin. I could have bought nearly 5 L9s at that time, and I'd be rolling in cash. I'd be profiting $250 a day. Thankfully, I do have some L9s, so it's not all bad. Yeah, that one's really kind of still pissing me off. But hey, I'm Vosk here on the VoskCoin YouTube channel. As always, you do whatever you want to do. I'm in the game. I'm proud of it. I'm happy everyone who has been slugging through the bear market of the past years. Congratulate yourself. You're doing good, probably, hopefully. I know I'm very happy with the way that things are moving. But I've got my eyes set way higher than where we're at. I didn't wait years to just turn in the towel on the first real green candle. And again, let me remind you, looking at my metrics here, retail is not here in the slightest. I'm not even getting half of the monthly viewership that I was in the previous bull run, and really most bull run numbers are like 8x the viewership, and the channel, in my opinion, is bigger and better than ever before. So I don't think we're close to top signals at all. So hey, I'm Vosk. This is 10 seconds of tails run on every video. Goodbye.